Okay, a system of inequalities is given by this system here. Both of these are linear equations, and this first one is p is greater than 0, so we know it's going to be an increasing linear function. And this one has q is less than 0, so this is going to be a decreasing linear function. In which quadrants is the solution? So let's actually go ahead and graph this out. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and both of these have a y-intercept of 4. So p greater than 0, that means that we know it's going to look in some fashion like this. And q less than 0, it could look something like this one here. It's going to be a solid line, not a dotted one. Or it could look like this, or it could, couldn't be a flat line. But it's going to look something like that, one of these two. But they're both kind of the same thing. So I'm just going to do this one here. And it crosses at this point if I can draw it straight. So this is what it looks like. And both of them have y greater than this. So we can test the point 0, 0. If we test 0, 0, we're going to get 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 4. And it says 0 is greater than or equal to 4. That's incorrect. So both of them are going to have this side shaded for the top one and this side shaded for the bottom one in some fashion. Now, no matter how this one tilts, right? This one could be extremely high up and extremely down like this. It's still going to include some of the second quadrant here. And the same thing is true for this increasing one. It's always going to include at least some portion of the first quadrant. So you're always going to have the first and second quadrant, but never the third or fourth.